Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
A new coaster credit for me, one I've wanted to try for ages. That's a Ghost Train 4 of 5. I've got one more to go after this one. Here we go. Up the spiral left hill. First time ever on this Ghost Train too. I hope we make it up, that doesn't sound very healthy coming up the hill here. Hopefully we have a shot. Zombie guy there. Oh, it's very jolty, the left hill. Yeah, oh! And we've made it! Inside. Hell. Oh, this is cool. Then goes up again. Oh, we're outside it. Oh, this is cool. It's like a roller coaster, this bit. What? Hey! Awesome.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more
Subscribe to my
videos.
channel and press